Hello and welcome to another DIY here at our home. Today we are going to fix the latch on the Toyota Sequoia. This is the main problem for the 2002 to 2008 Sequoia, wherein the latch broke because it's made of plastic. So now we're going to change it into a new metal latch. Please come join me as we see how we replace this broken latch on the Toyota Sequoia. Thanks. Here I'm showing you that the latch will not open because it was broken. First, you will have to crawl to the back of the Sequoia, and at the back cover you will have to remove the pull handle, and there should be one screw or bolt. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you can remove it. Next, you will have to remove the plastic panel. Starting from the top, just use any prying tool that can remove and loosen it up. Next comes the big panel cover, using gloves, so you won't hurt too much to pry it. Gently lift starting from the top, and you should be able to pull this whole back cover easily. Then we need to remove these 10mm bolts. I think there should be 8 of them. Here I'm using a drill to remove the bolts faster. Then there should be 3 plastic fasteners that is holding the back plate that you will need to gently remove with the cover. If it's hard to remove, try to use a flathead screwdriver or any prying tool that you can try to use. Once it's loosened, you may put it on the side because they still have some wiring connected to the backlight. Then remove these 2 black rubber coverings. And you may set them aside for now. Here I'm showing you 2 bolts that needs to be removed behind those 2 holes. Using a manual socket, I use an extender so that I can reach through the bolt and be able to remove the 2 bolts through that hole. Then there will be some plastic fastener that needs to be loosened, that is connecting the back cover to the outside. And you need to remove one more bolt that is connected to the key holder. Here I'm showing you the piece that broke off from the plastic latch, and I found another one from the first time it got replaced. As you go outside, you should be able to remove the outside covering that holds the latch. Here I'm just showing you how the cable was connected to the latch before it broke off. After turning over the plastic plate holder, you will find two screws that is holding the latch that you need to remove using a Phillips screwdriver. And then you can easily remove the broken latch. And here you can see the broken pieces of the latch, and these are all made of plastic. And now I'm showing you the new latch that I purchased from Amazon, and it is now made of metal. I will be putting a description or detail of where I got it and in my YouTube description. Now you just need to install the latch back to its original location, securing it with the two screws. Then you can turn over the back cover plate back to its original place and attach the latch cable, or you can put the cover and then you can place the cable from the inside. Here I'm trying to install the latch cable through the latch before I put the cover back on, but it keeps popping out. So if I'm not successful, I'm gonna try to install the cable from the inside. Here I'm securing this bolt that is holding the key holder and the two bolt that's passing through the hole that I'm using a long extension socket. That is to secure the back plate from the outside and connected to the inside. Once the cable is connected to the latch from the inside, you may now put the back covering plate and fasten all the plastic fasteners, and there should be 8 bolts that holds and secure it in place. Now we start to put back the big plastic cover back in its place. Then attach the bolt or screw that holds the pull handle. Continue by putting the plastic cover on the side of the window. Then the plastic cover for the top of the window. Then finish it up with the plastic cover for the right side of the window. And now you should be able to open up the back door using the new door latch. And here we are making sure that the key is still functional and be able to open up the window. And there you go. I hope this video will help you somehow, and thanks so much for watching.